everybody, welcome back to Wendy's Decorium, or welcome to Wendy's Decorium for my new subscribers. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to be using this. Right, I got this cake mould from Home Bargains here in the UK and it was very cheap. I couldn't resist. They also did a Christmas tree and a candy cane, the same size. I mean, look at it to me hand, it's quite a decent size. And I did want all three. I should have bought all three, and I thought, no, I'll be good. Now I'm gonna have to go back next week and buy the other two. Anyway, waffling aside, I'm going to be using Aquacast for this, and I'm going to be making a doorstop, hopefully. If it stands up. If not, I'll have to make a base for it. So I'm going to get my Aquacast mixed up and try and mix. I'm going to be using, I'll show you if I can find it, resin creep pigment. I'm going to be using the brown and hopefully get it to a nice, I might put a bit of orange in it as well, a nice gingerbread man colour. All right, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, I've mixed it up now. I used about 700 grams of powder and about 250 grams of water, and I want it to be really thick for the simple reason, when it goes in this, because I'm going to be using it for a doorstop, I want it to be really dense. I want it to be as heavy as possible. So we're just going to pour it in. And a jiggle and a tap, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the heat gun, sorry, if only I could speak, the heat gun, just to get rid of these like craters where the bubbles have popped. All right, as soon as that's cured, I will be right back with you. Okie dokie, it's fully cured now. Let's take it out, shall we? He's an heavy boy, that's for sure. Came out nice and easy. Let's take all the excess off. Oh, he's adorable. How cute is he? Oh, how lovely. Right, I've got these to dry for a little bit. They say 24 to 48 hours, but I'm not going to leave it for that. I'll leave it for 24 hours. But I've got some paints out, white, red and green, and I'm going to paint. I need a black as well, don't I? I'm going to do his eyes. I might do that in UV resin, we'll see. And I'm going to do all these, decorate them all. And then I think I might use a spray varnish this time. I normally use wax on Aquacast, but yeah, he's adorable. I'll leave him to dry for another 24 hours and I will be back with you to decorate. Right, he's only been sat here for a couple of hours. I thought, I know what I'll do. I'll decorate him and I'll just not do anything with the backside, and I'll let him dry on a cooling rack. Then all the water can come out. Right, we need something to put the something to put the paint on. There we go. Right, red and white, I think there. In fact, let's use white. I'm going to put some music on for you. You don't need to watch me painting everything in real time. I'm going to give these a second coat, and as you can see there, I've got some picks, and I thought, shall I add something? I think I might add that candy cane, but I'm going to let this dry and try and get that smudge off there, and I'll be right back with you. Right, it's only been a couple of hours. I couldn't wait. My paint's dried up. Well, the black hasn't, and all we're going to do is stick this candy cane on with some hot glue. I'm hoping, because it's polystyrene, it doesn't just melt. It would help if I had some glue in the gun, wouldn't it? I'm not a full shilling. Right, we'll try again, shall we? There we go. See if we can get the excess off. Yeah, we don't want to be seeing hot glue, do we? There. He's holding a candy cane. Right, so to finish him off, I'm going to sand. I've sanded the back. I'm going to sand the bottoms, because at the moment he doesn't stand up, he falls forward. So I'm going to sand on an angle like that, 2 flat bottoms, so that he can stand up. And what I'm going to do now, I've got some rope and I've just glued the ends so they don't fray, and I'm going to hot glue it onto the back. We want a good amount of hot glue. And we'll just lay them in. Now, I was thinking I'll put foam at the back. I've got a piece of red foam that I thought I might put over it. You know, so when it's against the door, it doesn't damage the door. So I'm going to stick that on. Right, so what I'm going to do now... Oh, it's come off. Let's try again, shall we? I'll pop it on here. That's probably because I had him upside down. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, just to finish him off, is I'm going to give him a spray varnish. I just use a Hobbycraft one. Hobbycraft Craft Sealer, it's called. And sand them, put the back on, and then I'll show you in the photos the finished result. But isn't he rather cute? And once he's on the door, my kitchen door, I'm going to put him on because it's forever shutting on its own. But isn't he rather sweet? And all that from a cake mould I bought from Home Bargains. Right, so I'll show you the pictures at the end. And thanks ever so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel the need. That would be wonderful. Bye for now.